Well, hello, Rhys, and thank you for asking for this roast, and thank you for letting me share it on video. Um, you asked for it on X, and well, I'm gonna roast your site, and I hope you don't cry too much. I hope you find it useful. So let me just go to your site. Here it is, Tinyrep. First, as far as I understood, this is a mix in between get site control and Hotjar. So get site control lets you gather feedback from your visitors, and Hotjar lets you have analytics, heat maps from your website. You have a mix of both, and that is powerful if it really works, because it's early access. I don't know in which state you are. I didn't try, obviously, but that is powerful. That's a great tool. So you have to send that message that you have everything, both things in one tool. So let me just go to what your site actually says, and it's well, the hero section is great. It's clean, nice design, and you can read everything very well. So tip hat. And it says customer feedback made easy. Understand the wants and needs of your customers with one line of code. Okay, that's good. I already understand what you're doing. I am missing the analytics that you said from Hotjar, but well, I guess that's okay. And made easy is great because everybody likes easy, but I will try to be more specific. You say below with one line of code. That's great, but I will try to put that in the header. So something like customer feedback with one line of code, or customer feedback copy pasting one line of code, because you don't even have to write it. It's still easy, but it's more specific, like in 10 seconds, in 3 steps, or one line of code. That's great. That way, you can also use your subheader. Instead of saying to understand the wants and needs of your customers, you can use it with another benefit. So okay, you say understand the wants and needs of your customers, and that's great. That's what you do. But why do I care? Why does an user want to understand the wants and needs of your customers? I will try to be more specific, again, more to the benefit. So what is it? What do they get with that when they understand the wants and needs? Do they get more sales? So you can say something like drive sales, or find out what your customers really want so you can give it to them, or something like that. It's more what your user will actually be getting, what they will benefit from. So because understand, it's great, but what do I do with understand? What I want to know is, what I want to do is make more money, or sell more, or increase conversion, or what is it? What's the final pain point that you are targeting? That's what you should mention here. Okay. Okay. What else? The CTA, it says get early access. That is good because okay, it's clear what you're getting. What I will do instead is add a little bit of FOMO, of fear of missing out, because right below, if I go to the frequently asked questions, here you say, we are currently in closed beta and rolling out invites manually. Register your interest and we'll reach out to you. Okay, so you are doing this manually. It's not like I click and I get it. It's I click and you will review it and you will decide if I get it. So you can add a little bit of fear in here and say request access, or yeah, see if you qualify, check if you qualify. Something that makes them want to be with you. It's like, okay, here you get it. Okay, but why? What do I get by getting it? Why do I want it now? Do you see what I mean? I can get it early, I can get it later. What's the difference? You mentioned also in the frequently asked questions here, how much does it cost? While in beta it's completely free. So why don't you add that here? Get early access. It's free now. It won't be forever. Now these tiny changes are already making people that the moment they are in your site, they understand what benefits they're getting, like I said, driving sales, increasing conversions, what is it they're getting. They will do it with one line of code, copy pasting one line of code, and the only time to get it free is now. So act now, or maybe you will have to pay for it when everybody wants it. And wait, it might not be for you, because I will be the one deciding. So only if you are good enough. All of that, well, I bet it will increase your conversion and people requesting this early access. Okay, what else? Let me go ahead. I guess you will have some testimonials in here once you get them. You don't have them yet. That makes sense. Let me go to the next section. It's actually the next three ones. All use cases, platform agnostic, and usable insights. Okay, these three are good. I mean, I read them and I understood what you are doing. But as I said on the hero section, try to be more oriented toward benefits. You are listing features here, because you say unlimited use cases, choose from numerical, emoji, multiple choice, optional, more details, powerful targeting to only prompt feedback from certain customers. Okay, here, use on any platform, insanely tiny file. Okay, this one is good. Setup takes less than 30 seconds, but if I go through all of them, they are features of your product which are good, but you have to pair them with benefits. Like, okay, this one was an obvious one. Insanely tiny file size at just 6.5 Ks. Okay, why do I care? I don't know about speed low. I don't know about how sites work. Why do I care that it's tiny? So say that. It's because it will make my site load still very fast, or is it way faster than get site control or Hotjar? Because maybe you can say something like that. 6.5K for everything you have in get site control and Hotjar, which is 1 mega. I don't know how much it is. Pair that with the benefit. Is choose from numerical, emoji, multiple choice. Like, tailor your questions to what you need. Have a pop-up ready for every interaction possible. I don't know, customize it to your tiny request, whatever it is. I don't know, I'm making this up as I go. But instead of saying, well, not instead, but in addition to saying, we have this, say, what's the benefit here? Why do they care? Why do a user care about all of these features that you have? Okay. What else do we have here? Well, it's one thing here is that you say platform agnostic, and then the header is no code friendly. I don't really see a connection between this, and that confused me for a while. So I don't know. Make it make sense. If you are talking about no code friendly, or that it's really easy to use, okay, put that here. Like, maybe that really easy to use, no code friendly on any platform. You're already saying on any platform here, so make it more cohesive. That confused me for a moment. Like, is he talking about platforms or about no code? Okay, that's a tiny detail. Let me go ahead, and well, you have the questions here. That's great. How it works. You say here that you link a file in your footer. It's a small detail, but here you say that you include a link to your header. So what is it? The header or the footer? That should be the same, right? I guess. And then you have the questions, how much does it cost? Great. As I said, put that really above, because, well, people want to see that, people want to join early, don't hide it. That's great. You have a nice landing page for something that's starting. You have the message here. Very good detail that you have this sticky button here. The get early access, it's accessible everywhere. So the alternative is repeating it here, or I don't know, here at the bottom. But it's nice. Well, if you are already requesting for an email, I don't know if you are going to have a newsletter, send emails, share information, something like that. Maybe you can, in addition to getting early access, you can create a lead magnet. So some bait, a really simple PDF document, video, something that explains how to use your site, or how to use the information that you get from your analytics. I don't know, something simple that gives it an extra bonus. But that's something to go one step further. Okay, that's not really a roast for your site. You are starting out right now, but something to think about for the future. So that's it for this one. It was short enough for a short landing page, only 10 minutes. Well, I hope you are very lucky with your site. You have success. Well, if you need anything else, you know where to find me on Twitter. So goodbye and have fun.